Can you still say the Lord's Prayer in Pennsylvania Dutch? Well, the Pennsylvania Dutch, when I was growing up Amish, was just a speaking language. We only prayed prayers in German from the German Bible or pre-written prayer book that was handed down from our forefathers. And here's what that sounded like. Unser Vater in dem Himmel, dein Name wird geheiligt, dein Reich komme, dein Willen geschehe auf der Erde wie im Himmel. Unser tägliches Brot gib uns heute und vergeben unsere Schulden, wie wir unseren Schuldigen vergeben. Und führe uns nicht in Versuchung, sondern erlöse uns von dem Übel, denn dein ist das Reich, die Kraft und die Herrlichkeit in die Ewigkeit. Amen. That's the Lord's Prayer in the Low German tone. Now, we spoke Pennsylvania Dutch in the Amish. That was just a speaking language only. We did not write that language, and we did not read with that language. We only spoke that language. Then on church, for Sundays, for religion,